welcome back to our weekly stainless steel market update. Last week, from April 6 to 10, stainless steel price in China moved upwards overall, mainly supported by stronger raw material costs, especially nickel. Let's start with the price recap. First, 300 series. Prices saw a moderate increase. Cold rolled 304 in Wuxi moved up by $15 per ton. Hot roll prices increased to around $2,200 per ton. For 316L, the increase was even stronger. Prices rose by $30 per ton, with cold roll reaching around $4,335 per ton. Cold roll 201J2 lived by $14 per ton. However, actual transactions are still happening, closer to $1,220 per ton, which indicates that the demand remains price sensitive. And here is an important regional signal. Indonesia. Last week, Tsingshan 304 prices remained stable at $2,230 per ton. But on April 13, prices were raised by $25 per ton. This is a key signal that cost pressure in building not just in China, but across the entire Asian supply chain. Now, let's talk about the core driver, Indonesia nickel policy. Starting from April 15, Indonesia will implement a new HPM pricing formula for nickel ore. The most important change is that the correction factor for 1.6% nickel ore will increase to 30%, which directly lifts the benchmark price of nickel ore. In simple terms, nickel ore is getting more expensive, and because Indonesia is the world key supplier, this will push up nickel pig iron NIP costs, ferronickel costs, and eventually stainless steel production costs. But here's the uncertainty. Early in March, Indonesia also signaled that it may relax nickel production quotas if prices remain high. Currently, the quota is around 260 to 270 million tons, which is still below the estimated demand. So, the key question is, will supply increase to cool down prices? At this stage, what do you think? Will Indonesia nickel adjustments met the balance between rational prices and enough supply? What it means for stainless steel? Right now, the market is in a tight balance. Costs are rising due to the nickel policy change. Supply is increasing as mills ramp up production in April. Chinese steel mills will have a raise in stainless steel production, as many as 160,000 tons more from March. This leads to a market that is supported by cost, but capped by supply pressure. Looking ahead, we expect nickel and stainless steel prices to remain stable to slightly stronger. With ongoing volatility, Indonesia nickel quota decisions will imply that the bottom of stainless steel prices. Also, international conflicts will persist as uncertainty for global trade. That is all for this week update. If you want more timely stainless steel pricing or sourcing support, feel free to contact us by the email down below. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates. See you in the next video. Bye!